So the syntax for CONCAT is exactly the same as the old concatenate function. We just insert the cells containing the text strings that we want to run together, either just the text strings themselves, or as in this case, as we often want to do, we put in a space or hyphen or something as a delineator modifier of some kind. So what we're doing here is we're just putting these putting the contents of the subsequent cells together, separated by a space. So B2 space C2 space and so on. We have, in this case, as you can see, rearranged the order of the cells a little bit, just to make the state and the zip code come out, as we wanted, just like we would have done with the old concatenate function. But now you will find that using the concat function. So how can we make this simpler, Microsoft asked themselves? Well, here's what they did. They created a new function called TEXTJOIN, which now just asks us to specify a range that represents the cells containing the text strings that we want to put together. In this case, B4 to H4, so these guys here. We're going to string these all together in a single text string, and a couple of the arguments in the formula let us modify it accordingly. Because one of the most common things we want to do is put in some kind of delineating space or hyphen. So the first argument is, what do you want to use to delineate or separate the text strings that you're putting together? In this case, a space, so that's what we put in first. The next argument that the formula has is true, false. Do you want to ignore empty text or not? Well, in this case we do. We've got a column here that's just blank, and we'll assume that there's some good reason for that we can't change. So we'll say, yeah, just ignore the empty text and cram all that text together for us, please. And then, of course, the third argument is the range that contains the text we want to run together. So just a little bit quicker and simpler way of concatenating text now.